Hey! G'day, I'm Jake from Make Science Fun, and I've made a little mobile science laboratory. Now, don't ask me why, no, ask me why. I'm auditioning for a TV show. I'm not going to say which one it is, and I wanted to come up with like a new character sort of thing. And so I thought, how cool would it be to have like a mobile lab and be a little mini scientist? Anyway, I spent 2 days building this device, and then I showed my my wife. I'll just turn that on. I showed my wife, and she took one look at it and goes, "It is ridiculous. It is stupid. It's dumb. It is just terrible. It's offensive." And so she said, "It's a dumb idea for you to try and go on TV with this thing." And I agree with her. I think it is pretty stupid now. Here we go. Water's going everywhere. But has anyone ever made like a mobile? Whoa, loud! Lab before? I don't know. Well, probably not, and I understand why. The good thing is I've got a much better idea for this TV show, and I'll be auditioning soon for it, and it's going to be a fantastic audition, and I'm sure that they'll love it and select me. So hopefully later on in the year I'll be on this show, and when I'm on you'll find out much more about it. So look, I might just do a little bit of science since this is the first and last time I'm going to use like this mini lab. We're going to do a few little experiments on air pressure and steam and that sort of thing. And I'm going to show you a way that they used to empty coal mines of water in the olden days. So I need to have my goggles on. But let's pretend that this is an old coal mine deep underground. And I'll put a little lump of coal in. Okay, so there's the coal, it's deep underground. But because it's so far underground, water gets in. And so I'm gonna, this is gonna be the water getting into the coal mine. Bloop, 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 bloop. And look at that, it's covering the coal, and so they can't dig the coal out. They have to get rid of this water. Now, it was back in the days where they didn't really have very good pumps or anything like that, and somehow they had to get water out of the coal mine. Well, have a look over here. What they had on the surface was like this fire, and they had like a metal tank, and they used to boil water just like I'm doing now, and they're boiling water, and what that's doing is it's filling up this cylinder or this conical flask with steam. It's driving out the air. Okay, it's driving out the air, and when all the air is gone out, which it probably is, all that flame's pretty hot, so I might just turn that down a little bit. Oh, there we go. Turn it down, and all that steam's coming out now. It's full of water vapor, and so this is going to be a pump that will pump that water out. You can actually pump it up a level of 10 meters. Now I've got to be careful here. Are you ready? Hopefully it doesn't explode on me. Turn it upside down. Whoa! Okay, wait for it. Look at this! Emptying the coal mine. Look at that. It's just pumped out all the water out of the coal mine, and now they can go and dig the coal out. And all this water has actually been pumped to the surface. It can get pumped up to about 10 meters. That's how strong air pressure is. Air pressure, this didn't actually suck it up. It might look like it sucked it up, but it's actually air pressure that pushed down. Oh, I'll just put that there, and I'll just pop that there. Oh, air pressure. Look at that. Air pressure pushed the water up into this flask. And so I'm going to show you another demonstration. Let's put this to the side. Oh, look, I can put it behind me. How exciting is that? And I'll still need this thing. I'll put my coal mine, I don't know, back up here with the compound of, I don't know what that is, sodium something, anyway. So I need my water here, and I've got these two cans, and let's turn up the fire, and they're sitting there They're sitting there. They've got a little bit of water in them. Okay, a little bit of water again. So this is a similar demonstration. I might actually try and do it with my hands actually. Hopefully I won't burn my hands. So they've got a little bit of water in them, and obviously that water is going to hopefully boil. Okay, the water's going to boil, and when it boils, it fills up the Coke can with steam. It like pushes out all the air, and it fills it up with steam. And when I invert it in this cold water, that steam quickly condenses back to liquid. And what does that leave in the can? It leaves nothing in the can. That's the whole thing. There's nothing in the can. And so air pressure, which at the moment is pushing in on it, air pressure is pushing in, is being counteracted by the steam on the inside. And so that's why it holds its shape. But the moment that you remove the pressure from inside, then air pressure is able to crumple the can or implode the can. Now I can hear it boiling, so that's good. I can sort of see steam coming out. So I'm going to turn down the heat, because otherwise I probably will like burn my hands badly. And I don't really want to burn my hands badly, so I've turned the fire right down. And I'm going to put lots of water on my hand, because hopefully that water will protect my hand when I move this can. Okay, but you've got to watch really quick. Okay, this will happen super, super, super fast. Are we ready? Are we ready? Steady. Oh, it's hot. I don't really want to do it. Here we go. Oh, look at that! Look at that. It happened so quickly. Keep your eye on it. Okay, the can has been imploded by the air pressure around us. Air pressure, it's able to push up liquid to a height of 10 meters. Air pressure is very, very strong. It's a very big force. We don't notice it because we're immersed in it. Are we ready? Here we go. I'm going to do it again. Ready, set, and hey! Look at that. Another implosion. Well, I'm having some success with my mini science lab. Might turn that off now, and might do one more little demonstration. Let's pop that over here. One there, and get this office bottle. Get this office bottle, and it's got nothing in it. Well, that's a lie, because it's got air in it. And I'm going to put a little bit of methylated spirits, like so. Now, it doesn't feel very safe doing it at like my height. Normally I'm like standing like, anyway, this is a bad idea. Anyway, shake it. Oh, give it a shake. How's those legs of mine going? Can I back up a bit? Oh yeah, oh yeah, the legs are still there. Hello legs. Can I move them? Maybe if I put my hands there. Woo! No, okay. I'll come back a bit closer. Oh, here we go. The mobile lab. And I'll give this a shake again. Let's vaporise the methylated spirits. And now I'm going to drop a match in there, a lit match. Are we ready? Let's see what happens. Oh, they got wet before in the, they got wet before. Oh dear, this is no good. Oh, here we go. Hey, I've got a match. I might move a bit away from you. Are we ready? Set. Whoa! Oh, sugar! I'm going to put my hand on it. And look at this. Look at this. Are you ready? Oh. Hey! Oh! All this blue water in here. And oh, there's a bit of green water. It's just water. Oh! This is not that easy, to be honest. Nah, pop him in there. Woo! Can's going everywhere. I've even made some little shells down here. I can pop them in. How good is that? I want to blow some oxygen back in. Blow some air back in. Feels like I'm getting a bit of alcohol. There we go. Give it a shake again. And vaporise that metho. It's a bit warmer now. It's an exothermic reaction. Where'd I put those matches? Oh, here they are. This is hard. I've never worked in a mini lab before, especially a mini motorised lab. Anyway, watch carefully. I'm going to do the same thing, but then I'm going to quickly invert this bottle. I'm going to quickly invert this bottle over the water. You ready? Set. Whee! And go! Would you look at that? Water is pushed up into that big bottle. How cool is that? And now, let's pop that back. And I can now move on, maybe to another zone, and do my little science somewhere else. But as I said, I don't think that this is actually going to see the light of day again. So this is hello and goodbye from the little lab, and it will probably never see you again. So all right, goodbye. Oh, woo, you. Oh, it's so cool. Woo. Whoa! It's so cool. I had to just do it once more. I wonder if I can do it going in a circle. I might try and up the speed. Speed 2. Oh, what am I doing? Whoa! Oh! Wow! Oh! Wow! What am I? Wow! Yeah! Whoop! Yeah. Here we go, here we go. Whoa, whoa, wow! Woo! Oh, sugar! Oh, dear, something fell off. Whoa, whoa! Oh, I think the frog fell off. Okay, alright. She's, I think I've blown a circuit. She's not working anymore. The horn still works, but anyway. Okay, well, thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye for now.